Hey, welcome back to the DuroMax channel. Let's jump right into it. What is a soft start? A soft start is an electrical device that gradually ramps up the power supplied to an appliance or motor when turned on. Instead of drawing a large surge of electricity all at once, it limits the initial inrush current and smoothly increases power over a short period. This reduces stress on both the appliance and the power source. How does a soft start help a generator? A soft start helps a generator minimize the sudden surge in power demand when high-energy appliances, such as air conditioners, are turned on. This reduces the risk of overloading the generator and ensures smoother operation. How can I install a soft start? Installing a soft start typically involves the following steps. Choose the right soft start. Ensure the soft start is compatible with the specific appliance and your generator's power capacity. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Read the instructions provided by the soft start manufacturer carefully. If you're unsure about the installation process, consider hiring a licensed electrician to ensure safety and proper setup. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.